Exercise 1.4, question number 5. F is a function from the set of natural numbers to natural numbers defined by f of m equal to m square plus m plus 3. Now we take two natural numbers x1 and x2. x1, x2, epsilon n. That is x1, x2 belong to the set of natural numbers. Assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 means x1 square plus x1 plus 3. F of x2 means x2 square plus x2 plus 3. 3 get cancelled both sides. So x1 square plus x1 equal to x2 square plus x2. That is x1 square minus x2 square plus x1 minus x2 equal to 0. We can group this x1 square minus x2 square and this x1 minus x2. This we can factorize x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2 plus x1 minus x2 equal to 0. We can take x1 minus x2 as common between these two terms. So x1 minus x2 into here x1 plus x2 plus 1 equal to 0. But this cannot be 0. The product of two factors is 0, of which this cannot be 0 because x1, x2 plus 1, x1 natural number, x2 natural number plus 1 is a natural number. All are positive natural numbers. So the total cannot be 0. All are positive. So the only possibility is x1 minus x2 must be 0. So x1 equal to x2. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 assumption leads us to the result x1 equal to x2. Therefore yes, f is 1, 1 function. Exercise 1.4, problem number 6, first subdivision. F is a function from A to B. The set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is the set of natural numbers. F of x is defined as x cubed. Now what is f of 1? 1 cubed, 1. F of 2, 2 cubed, 8. F of 3, 3 cubed, 27. F of 4, 4 cubed, that is 64. So the range is 1, 8, 27, 64. That's it. Now subdivision 2. Identify the type of the function. We have to find what type of function it is. Different elements in A have different images in B. Therefore f is 1, 1. Range of f is a subset of n. Range is a subset of n. That means what? It is an into function. Exercise 1.4, question number 7. F is a function from the set of real numbers to real numbers. First subdivision f of x equal to 2x plus 1. Take two real numbers x1 and x2 in R. F of x1 equal to f of x2, that assumption implies 2x1 plus 1 equal to 2x2 plus 1. That is 2x1 equal to 2x2. That is x1 equal to x2. So f is 1, 1. What is y? Y equal to 2x plus 1. That means y minus 1 equal to 2x. That is x equal to y minus 1 by 2. So whatever real number you take for y, y minus 1 by 2 is also a real number. Y epsilon r implies x epsilon r for all y belonging to R. So for every element in R we have a pre-image. F is onto. F is 1, 1 onto. F is a bijection. 1, 1 onto function is also known as a bijection. Now exercise 1.4, question number 7, second subdivision. F is a function from the set of real numbers to real numbers. F of x is defined as 3 minus 4x squared. Let us assume f of x1 equal to f of x2, where x1 and x2 are any two real numbers. That means f of x1 3 minus 4x1 squared, f of x2 3 minus 4x2 squared. 3 minus 4x1 squared equal to 3 minus 4x2 squared, 4x2 squared. That is minus 4x1 squared equal to minus 4x2 squared. That is 4x1 squared equal to 4x2 squared. That is x1 squared equal to x2 squared. That does not imply x1 equal to x2, because a squared equal to b squared implies a equal to b only when a and b are positive numbers. When A and B may be positive or negative, then A squared equal to B squared does not imply A equal to B. For example, 5 squared equal to minus 5 squared, but 5 is not equal to minus 5. So only when the power is odd, we can say x1 equal to x2. When the power is even, we can say x1 equal to x2 only when we know x1 and x2 are positive numbers. Here x1 and x2 are real numbers. They may be positive or negative. Let me repeat. X1 square equal to x2 square. 2. It is an even power. So that doesn't guarantee that x1 equal to x2, because x1, x2 may be positive or negative. Therefore x1 need not be equal to x2. That is, x1 squared equal to x2 squared does not imply x1 equal to x2. So f is not 1, 1. That is, f is not a bijection. Exercise 1.4, question number 8. The set A is minus 1, 1. Set B is 0, 2. F is a function from A to B. F of x equal to ax plus b. F is onto function. What are the values of A and B? The set A is minus 1, 1. The set B is 0, 2. So F is onto function. So no element is left out. Every element has got a pre-image. So there are two possibilities. Minus 1 may be mapped to 0 and 1 mapped to 2. Or minus 1 may be mapped to 2 and 1 mapped to 0. F is onto function. So there are two cases. Case 1, f of minus 1 equal to 0 and f of 1 equal to 2. Case 2, f of minus 1 equal to 2 and f of 1 equal to 0. These are the only two possibilities. F of minus 1 equal to 0 implies minus a plus b equal to 0 from this equation. Ax plus b. F of minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus b, that is minus a plus b. And a plus b equal to 2. F of 1 equal to 2. F of 1, that is a into 1. A plus b equal to f of 1 is given as 2. So a plus b equal to 2. Solving these two equations, just add 2b equal to 2, b equal to 1. That is a equal to 1. Hence a equal to 1, b equal to 1. Or this case, f of minus 1 equal to 2, f of 1 equal to 0 implies minus a plus b equal to 2 and a plus b equal to 0. Solving this, 2b equal to 2, b equal to 1. That is a equal to minus 1. Hence we have a equal to 1, b equal to 1, or a equal to minus 1, b equal to 1. The answer given in the textbook is incomplete. It has ignored